Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. In addition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, August the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. So three puzzles remain, the binary jigsaw Sudoku, and this one. 4 star Sudoku number 9040. 9040. And before I start, I always count the print the digits. This one has 3, 6, 8, 10, 13, 15, 18, 21, 24. Yeah, the 4 star Sudoku has always 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here 4 2s. All right. We have here 3 3s, 3 4s, 1 5, 3 6s, 1 7. How about 8s, 2 8s, and 4 9s? So the 2s and the 9s are in majority. Can I start with the 2? That's the question. No. Well, not true, not true, not true, not true. 2 2 2 2 2 2. Okay. Well, in this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. How about the 9 then? 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left. The 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 in the first column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Well, need a 9 there. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. Okay, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. I cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. I need a 5 here. I need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. We have 6 in the third column. No 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Shoot it down. Okay. And now, one of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Then 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left with 4 should be there. Then 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 3 should be there. 7, 8, and a 5. Okay. Need 8 here. 5. 1. Well. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in this column. Second column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there in this big square here. Okay. So the first one. 8, 3, 9, 2. I need to think here. 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above. From that row, the only place left with 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with the 7 in this row should be there. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this row? For numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square, 1, 4, 8, are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places left with 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 2, need a 6. Okay. 9, 1 of 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left with 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the last first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. So 1 digit left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Well, okay. About these 3 missing numbers in the third column, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes in there. 1 box left now in the second column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. Alright. Need a 4 here. These 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing. 2 missing, 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left with the 4, it should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left there. Okay. 2, 2. Let me think. How about the 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column? So the column next, the only 3 places left with the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in that row, no 6 there. The only place left with 6 should be there. Yeah. 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. How about the number? Need a 3 here. 8, 8, and 8 there. Well, 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay, cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. How about? Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7. 1, 7. Need an 8 here also. 3, 6. No. Yeah. I need a 4 here. 4 there. Yeah. I'm thinking. Well, I'm stuck here. Well, 8 and then 9 should be here. 8, 9 and the 9. This box. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, from the first row. Only to place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Well, the last 6 here, and all the 6s are used. I can't see here. Overlook the 6. Okay, and now 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left, and the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, from the first row, only 2 places left, and the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. 7, 5, need a 1 here. Then, which number can I pick? With the 4. The 4 here, I need a 4 there. 1. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and the 7. 1, 2, 1, 7, 1, 2. No. Come on. Need a 5 here. No. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. And look, here can be a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. So the only place left with 5 should be there. The 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. So here should be the 1 and the 7 are left. Cannot fill this yet. Let me wait. We have 5 here. 5 there. 5 here. Well. 7, need a 7 there. Need 7 here. Need 7 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 7 in the second row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. The 7 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place level 7 should be here then. 7, need a 7 here. 7 here, okay. Well, about these 2 missing numbers, the 1 and the 2 are missing here. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 in this big square. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Need a 1 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. I need an 8 here. And I need a 2 here. Well, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We see another 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Eliminated here. 9 9 goes there. Eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1, 4, 8, okay. Yeah. 5 and the 7. Well. Do we... Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left to 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the last, in that column, no 2 there. The only place left 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 2. Okay, and now, how about here, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. 9, 1, 5, 9. Yeah. 4 and 1, 4, 8. 3, 2, 6 for the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Well, we have 2 numbers left here. In the middle column, I believe the 4 and 8, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Here, 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 8 is missing here. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left now in this big square from the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes, and then. So, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1 is missing, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finished. 18 minutes. Wow. 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku. But is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this 2 stars. Again, I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. The binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.